Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I wasn't sure what to film. And recently there's so many YouTube tutorials where people watch someone else's makeup tutorial and then do a video about it. So I thought I'd do the same but with nail art tutorials. I decided to go for the nail art queen on YouTube, which is Cutepolish, and I'm gonna recreate one of her designs. Actually, I personally do not watch a lot of nail art tutorials on YouTube at all. I watch other stuff. So yeah, I'm very excited to see what kind of designs she has. I think she has more drawing kind of nail art designs and more designs also for beginners maybe. I'm not sure, so let's head to her channel. So here are Cutepolish's latest uploads, and I decided already which tutorial I'm gonna do because I went on her channel to see what nail designs she has. And I decided to go for this one because it's pretty similar to what I'm doing. So yeah, let's try this one.
Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cutepolish. In today's nail art video, Hannah will be sharing 5 gorgeous nail art designs that incorporate cutouts, also known as negative space designs. Hi, it's Hannah. I'm really excited to share these 5 designs.
Oh, this isn't even hers, so I'm gonna choose a different one. Okay.
Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cutepolish. In today's episode, Hannah will be showing you how to create these stunning geode nails.
Huh? I don't get it. So she's Sandy, but Hannah is doing the nails? What?
Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cutepolish. In today's video, Becca will be sharing 5 cute and unique summer nail art designs.
Okay, I don't know. Why are different people doing those designs? Isn't the one she's doing? I think I'm not the first who has this idea. She already did that.
It's Sandy. Welcome back to Cutepolish. In today's nail art video, we thought it would be so fun to try something a little different. I'm sure you guys have seen the trend of YouTubers trying other YouTubers' tutorials.
Wow, she did a real good job. Is it? I think this is... What is this? Julie? Oh, it's Jaunty Julie. I know her. I actually did already a collab with her in the past. So, so there are 5 nail artists for Cutepolish. Okay, getting it. So Sandy, she's the original Cutepolish person, right? Videos. Or maybe I just do simply Nailogical. Like, is she even doing some nail art tutorials herself? So let's try simply Nailogical. I didn't realize she was bigger than Cutepolish because in the past I've watched some tutorials of her because I think she's very funny. And I think I used to watch her when she was still very small, so I'm pretty surprised that she's bigger than Cutepolish. But yeah, let's see what kind of tutorials she has. But does she even have real tutorials? I think she has a lot of like joke videos, like fun videos.
As you can see, I had a little bit of trouble finding a nail art tutorial, but I decided to go for the Geode nails by Cutepolish/Hannah. I already applied a base coat and she says to apply an off-white polish, but it looks so white to me, so I'm gonna stick to a white. So this decision wasn't that smart. I looked at the next steps and she uses a white and I cannot use white on white, so I'm still gonna add an off-white color. I don't really have like an off-white. Well, I now remembered I had one, but in the video I used this beige kind of polish. The instructions for the next step is to take a minty green polish and create a messy half loop on the tip of the nail, which doesn't sound that difficult, but honestly, it's not that easy to make those messy streaks of color. Then she uses different green and blue tones and continues making those messy half loops. And as I mentioned before, she also uses a white, that's why I had to change the base color to an off-whitish beige color. At this point, you can already tell that I'm using a lot more space of the nail than she does, so let's look how the end result will look like. For me, it wasn't that easy to make those messy loops, so you can see at that point that hers looks a lot more realistic than mine does. Let's seal it in with a top coat and let's look at the end result. Also, I'm gonna leave the products in the description box below because I feel like there's a lot going on in this tutorial already. So if you're interested to see which products I used, just check the info bar below. Here you can see her finished look and here you can see mine. I think they are pretty similar and I think the tutorial was very well explained. I really enjoyed it. So if you like such videos, please let me know and also leave some suggestions which tutorial you want me to recreate next. We are at the end of this video. Thank you so much Cutepolish and Hannah for sharing this beautiful geode nail art tutorial with us. If you haven't seen my last video, please click on the screen and it will take you right to it. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!